Austrian Airlines, Austria's flag carrier, has long symbolized the country's connection to the rest of the world. The airline was founded in 1957 when Air Austria and Austrian Airways merged, and it officially began operations in 1958 with a flight from Vienna to London. Over the years, Austrian Airlines has steadily expanded its network throughout Europe, the Middle East, Asia, and North America, establishing Vienna International Airport as a key Central European hub. During the 1980s and 1990s, the airline established a reputation for efficiency, hospitality, and a distinct Austrian flair, which was reflected in its service and branding. However, Austrian Airlines, like many legacy carriers, struggled in the early 2000s as a result of increased competition from low-cost carriers and economic pressures. In 2009, it joined the Lufthansa Group, which helped stabilize operations and integrate it into a larger European network. This collaboration enabled Austrian to modernize its fleet, streamline operations, and increase profitability. In recent years, Austrian Airlines has prioritized modernization and sustainability. To reduce emissions and operating costs, the airline has introduced more fuel-efficient planes, such as the Airbus A320neo, while retiring older planes. Digital innovation has also been central to its strategy, with a focus on improving the passenger experience via technology and flexible booking systems. Looking ahead, Austrian Airlines intends to strengthen Vienna's position as a key European hub while also contributing to the Lufthansa Group's overall sustainability goals. The airline intends to become carbon neutral by 2050, increase its use of sustainable aviation fuels, and optimize its route network to strike a balance between profitability and environmental responsibility. In an era of shifting travel patterns and growing environmental awareness, Austrian Airlines aims to embody both tradition and transformation, preserving its Austrian identity while welcoming the future of global aviation.